Dokio 18 volts portable foldable solar panel with 12 volts controller, reliable power solution for camping and outdoor adventures. Stay powered up wherever you go with the Dokio 18 volts portable foldable solar panel, designed to provide efficient and convenient solar charging for your batteries during camping trips, outdoor activities, or emergency situations. Available in multiple power options, 100W, 160W, 200W, and 300W. This versatile solar panel system ensures you have the right capacity to meet your energy needs on the go. Compact and foldable design for easy portability. The Dokio solar panel features a foldable design that makes it highly portable and easy to carry. Whether hiking, camping, or traveling, you can easily pack and transport the solar panel without hassle. Its lightweight and compact form factor allow for quick setup and storage, making it an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts. Efficient 18 volts solar charging. Operating at 18 volts, this solar panel efficiently converts sunlight into electrical energy, providing reliable power to charge 12 volts batteries. The included 12 volts controller protects your battery from overcharging, short circuits, and reverse polarity, ensuring safe and optimal charging performance. This combination maximizes battery lifespan and efficiency. Multiple power options to suit your needs. Choose from 100W, 160W, 200W, or 300W variants depending on your power requirements. Whether you need to charge smaller devices or larger battery banks, Dokio offers the flexibility to match your setup perfectly. Durable and weather-resistant construction. Built for outdoor use, the Dokio solar panel is made with high-quality materials that can withstand various weather conditions. Its robust design ensures durability and long-term performance, whether exposed to sun, rain, or wind. Ideal for camping and outdoor activities. Perfectly suited for camping, RV trips, boating, or remote work sites, this solar panel keeps your batteries charged without relying on traditional power sources. Enjoy the freedom of renewable energy wherever your adventures take you. Key features: foldable and portable design for easy transport and setup. Efficient 18 volts solar panel with multiple power options, 100W, 160W, 200W, and 300W. Includes 12 volts controller for safe battery charging and protection. Durable, weather-resistant construction for outdoor use. Suitable for charging 12 volts batteries in camping, RV, boating, and emergency scenarios. Lightweight and compact for convenient carrying. Empower your outdoor lifestyle with the Dokio 18 volts portable foldable solar panel and 12 volts controller, your reliable, eco-friendly power source on the move.